Unleash the secret world of earning big with physical products. Here's how you can turn everyday items into a goldmine. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stay tuned as we unveil a treasure trove of top affiliate programs for physical products, packed with insights and strategies that go beyond the basics, elevating your affiliate marketing game to new heights. Don't miss out on these game-changing tips and tricks. Starting with the Amazon Associates program, it's a major player in the affiliate world. Its vast product range is its biggest advantage, offering almost anything you can think of. As an affiliate, you can choose products that align with your audience's interests. The commission rate can go up to 10%, which varies by product category. The pros include a vast selection and trust in the Amazon brand. However, the commission rates can be lower compared to some other programs, and competition is high due to its popularity. Next up, eBay Partner Network. It stands out for its unique auction-based selling format and wide range of products. As an affiliate, you earn a percentage of eBay's revenue from purchases made via your links. The advantage is the diversity of items available, from new to used and collectible items. The challenge here is that auction items' unpredictability might affect consistent earnings. Moving on to the Shopify affiliate program, known mainly for its e-commerce platform solutions, it also offers an affiliate program. You earn commissions for referring new Shopify merchants. The pros include promoting a reputable and widely used platform, which can be easier to sell. However, the focus is more on the service than physical products, which might not suit all audiences. ClickBank is a versatile affiliate marketing program known for its range of physical products, especially in niches like health and fitness, home and garden. The platform is known for higher commission rates, especially for digital products. The downside is that some products might not have consistent quality, so choosing wisely is important. CJ Affiliate Program presents a huge network of more than 2,500 advertisers, offering endless opportunities across various niches. This platform is excellent for finding niche products and big brands. However, navigating such a vast network can be overwhelming for beginners. Rakuten Marketing offers a diverse range of products from top brands, making it a robust platform for affiliates. Its user-friendly interface is a plus, but the payment cycle can be slower compared to others. Avangate Affiliate Network, focusing on digital goods and software, also provides physical tech products. It's great for tech-savvy audiences, but the niche focus might limit options for broader audiences. Pepper Jam Network, with its unique categories like fashion and food, stands out for innovation. It's an excellent choice for niche markets, though it might not have the same range as larger platforms. Share a Sale is a popular affiliate network offering a mix of physical and digital products. It caters to various niches, which is a plus. However, the sheer variety can be overwhelming to sift through for the right products. Walmart's affiliate program, though not as vast as Amazon's, still offers a significant number of products. Its reputation adds trust, but the commission rates may be lower compared to other platforms. Target's affiliate program is similar, with a broad range of products and competitive commission rates. It's a great alternative to Amazon, but faces similar challenges in terms of competition. The Home Depot affiliate program is ideal for the home improvement niche, offering a wide range of relevant products. The potential for high commissions is there, but the niche focus might not suit all audiences. Best Buy's affiliate program allows earning on a wide range of electronics and appliances. The brand's reputation is a significant draw, though the tech focus might limit audience reach. The Etsy affiliate program is perfect for a niche audience interested in handmade or vintage items. It's a unique platform with a loyal customer base, but may not appeal to wider audiences looking for different product types. The GameStop affiliate program caters to gamers, a specific but passionate niche. The pros are a dedicated audience and good commission rates, but it's limited to gaming products. Alibaba's affiliate program offers a vast range of wholesale products, providing endless opportunities but might be more suited to B2B marketing rather than individual consumer sales. Is our content sparking your curiosity? Fuel your inquisitiveness. Hit subscribe, light up our work with a like, and ring the bell to keep the sparks of curiosity alive. Ready to uncover more? Let's delve deeper. Nike's affiliate program is perfect for sports and fitness niches. offering high-quality products that are easier to promote, though the niche focus limits broader market appeal. Similarly, the Under Armour affiliate program offers lucrative opportunities for sports and fitness enthusiasts, with high commissions on their premium products, but again, limited to a specific niche. The Sephora affiliate program is ideal for beauty bloggers or influencers. This program offers a range of top-rated beauty products, though it's niche-specific to beauty products. The Nordstrom affiliate program offers luxury fashion items, ideal for fashion bloggers or influencers. It's great for high-end product promotion, but the luxury focus might not suit all audiences. Zappos affiliate program is perfect for promoting a vast array of footwear. The brand's reputation and high commission rates are pros, but the focus is primarily on shoes. For travel bloggers, the HomeAway affiliate program offers unique opportunities in vacation rental bookings, though it's specific to the travel and hospitality niche. TripAdvisor's affiliate program is another excellent option for travel enthusiasts, with attractive commissions on travel experiences, but limited to the travel niche. Hotels.com's affiliate program allows earning on hotel bookings, making it an excellent choice for travel-related content, but again, niche-specific. The Priceline affiliate program offers high commissions for promoting discounted travel deals, suited for a travel-focused audience. The Microsoft affiliate program is perfect for tech enthusiasts, offering a range of products with potential for good commissions, but focused on the tech niche. Apple's affiliate program is great for tech bloggers, offering renowned products that are easy to promote, though it's limited to Apple products. Adobe's affiliate program is ideal for creative professionals, with commissions on software subscriptions, but it's specific to creative software. The AutoZone affiliate program is great for automotive enthusiasts, offering high commissions, but it's niche-specific to automotive products. Lou's affiliate program is another excellent choice for home improvement, with a broad range of products and potential for high commissions, though again, niche-specific. The Newegg affiliate program is ideal for tech products, offering a lucrative platform for tech bloggers, but limited to technology and electronics. Finally, the AliExpress affiliate program offers a wide range of products with attractive commission rates, making it a versatile choice for various niches. Each of these affiliate programs offers unique advantages and caters to specific niches. Your success in affiliate marketing hinges on selecting the right program that aligns with your audience's interest and your content strategy. With careful selection and effective promotion, you can maximize your earnings in affiliate marketing. Step into the digital arena with confidence. Begin with our free ebook, a treasure trove of the most advanced and effective online business strategies to date. But your journey to digital mastery doesn't end there. Up next is a challenging yet rewarding 15-day journey, meticulously tailored to enhance your e-commerce abilities, guided by the finest minds in the digital world. This is where you equip yourself with real-world tactics and a comprehensive digital toolkit, setting the stage for your success. Ready to carve your path in the digital landscape? Act with purpose. Click the link in the description now and start forging your legacy in the world of online business. Signing off from today's e-earning gardening session. Cultivated success with the method, blooming profits, or need more tending? Plant your thoughts in the comments. Did today's financial gardening tips help your earnings grow? Click like to water the idea. Eager to cultivate more lucrative strategies? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're always in season for growth. Before you hang up your gloves, see that video in the greenhouse? It's a seedling for another fertile approach to online income. Dig in and let's keep nurturing your financial garden. Until our next day in the sun.